Hello and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In this video, we are going to be looking at the two prototype methods of a string. The first one is startsWith and the second one is endsWith, right? So basically, if we want to check if the string is starting with a specified character or word or characters, then we use the startsWith method. So as you can see right over here, we have a string of the Ministry of JavaScript. And I come over here and I want to check if the word is if this string is starting from the word the, then I will say starts with and I will pass the in the first argument. And if I console.log this, then as you can see that it is returning me true. Why it is returning me true? Because our string is starting from the D word. If I come over here and replace the D with A, then as you can see that it is returning me false. Similarly, when we talk about the endsWith method, it will check if the string is ending with specified characters or not. So for example, if I come over here and I will write console.log str.endsWith, if I write JavaScript, let me wrap it up. Alright, so as you can see that it is returning me true. Why it is returning me true? Because our string is ending with JavaScript. Another thing is if right now I'm passing a bunch of characters in this argument, but if you want to check the last character of a string like t, then it will work also, right? Or the another thing is basically this starts and ends with basically take two parameters. The first one is the search string, and the second one is a position. For example, if I come over here and write 4, it will return me false because on the fourth one we have the ministry, right? So what it will do, it will start the search from the fourth index, right? Similarly, if I pass this inside the endsWith method, it will start the search from the fourth index from the last. So this is all from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.